Man, I'm bored. Yeah, me too. You want to go first on fishing? No. That sucks. Okay, guys. When is my food ready? Find a toy I like. Please help me and find a Lightning McQueen car. Fine. I'll find one. What? No, no. Ow, crap. No. Oh, wait, is this it? Nope. This one? No. No. Wait, I have a good idea. No. No. Don't he like this? Probably he'll like it. Did you find me something I want? Yup. Yup, you got it right. Oh, thank goodness. But I don't want that. No. Then what do you want? Come here. I'm trying to find something I want. I was daydreaming about something. Ooh, find me another one than this. Please do. Okay, we will. Huh? Why is there a bird? A bird. Rock, rock. Oh, I like to kill the bird. Come here now. Yeah. Get this off. I keep finding this thing. No. I can't even find anything. Just huh? Stupid bird. I hate birds. Always wanted to eat birds since for 5 years. I'm pretty sure I'm intelligent to be a very kung fu a kung fu master in Kung Fu Panda. But that's not even it. Come here, bird. Yeah, you can't even find it, can you? You can't even find it. Oh man, this is bonkers. Oh man. Huh? Ew. No! I don't want that. No, not even this. Man, we gotta get over with SpongeBob, huh? I can't find it. This is getting on my nerves. Huh? What's this? Oh crap, he's broken ass heck. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, it didn't work? Oh, that's the bird. Huh? The stupid bird. That sucks. Yeah. Get off. Stop. Get off. Get off. Get off. Come here. What you're doing? Get the freaking toys. Okay, who was it? Oh, crap. Oh, you're in big trouble. Now, no. You in big trouble now. Did you guys find my... You in big trouble now. Who did this mess? Who did this? Oh, yeah, the mess. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Why are you lying? I saw you did it. Tell me who did this mess. Oh, yeah, well, you see, I was trying to get that Lightning McQueen. You always wanted. And then, honestly, he didn't come out of nowhere and keep finding, breaking books, eating toys, and breaking things actually down. Like, that's embarrassing. You better find my Lightning McQueen. Take a flag. 100 minutes, I think. That'll be for only 1 second. Ooh, you made a mess. You're in big trouble now. You're in trouble now. Tell them. Because, look, you want to know why? Because I'm a fish. I eat food. And you're dumb as crap.